Here's just a quick a video of the wind we seem to be having over here. I have two resistors in. One, you can start to see it glowing there. This one here is on. That's 300 watt. Look, and silver. We're getting mental power. And that's cooking two resistors. That's glowing. That's just hot. I can't. I'll just take it off. One resistor. This one up here, and I'll show you. Watch. Oh, sorry, you didn't see that. Look, you can actually see it connecting. Now watch. That's just one resistor still in play. That's still drawing 300 watts from that resistor now. And you know how hard it is for a resistor to slow down a wind turbine. There you go, the winds are very choppy. There she goes. There we go. Oh, I'll have to break it. Oh no, she had it. I'm going to connect this resistor in. You can hear the fan kicking in and out. We're peaking over 1000 watts. We made 30 kilowatts. That's nearly 1500 watts. I don't know if you can hear the wind on the video. It turns a lot. It's not dead straight all the time. It keeps being moving around. Do you know what I mean? Like north, south, east and west. It's gone all over the place. It's just all choppy. There she goes again. See me when she dies down, comes back. There she goes, speeding up again. Oh no, it's way too high. Oh shit. I can't find the other resistor. Probably heard the sizzling of the resistor. The connection. Oh, that's actually breaking manually again. Wow. That's actually another connection going down to my battery bank. I know it's all messy, but look, you can see it goes down to my battery banks down here. So that's two resistors. One, two, and two resistors, sorry, and a battery bank. Trying to dissipate this this energy that's coming in. My phone won't seem to focus for some reason. So you can see it there. Actually might die down again. This is a 2000 watt grid tie. I just hit 1500 watts. Look, and it's still powering it. Look. Right, and after the break. Now I'll see what she does again. Now, so that resistor, two resistors still in play. The battery bank is taken out, and I'm just going to manually take this off. she goes again. Watch this now. She's way too high. Now you see what kind of wind we have over here. So battery bank and 2 resistors, and it's still, look at the voltage. Oh, I can't even see it now. 50 something or whatever it was. Well, she actually is stopping. Come on, stay down for 1 minute. No, here she comes again. Well, that's it, guys. Look at just a quick video of what's actually happening here. It's very windy here. I forget today, it is 24th, 25th or something of January 2017. I have to go to work now and just have to go on for a run, so here's actually one last go. I actually heard it kicking out. I'm gonna take off the other brake. Yeah. And that one's off. So to buy a new one of these, another great type, because this 2000 watt is not able to hold back my 3 kilowatt wind turbine. Especially at high winds, it's not able for it, so I'll have to double up. What peak we made today? $14,464, 1,464 if you can see it. It's the highest we got there today. And what did we get? 30 kilowatts. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.